Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could easily be called the best Samsung 55-inch TV available right now. The Samsung 55-inch Class 4K Crystal UHD DU8000 series, the 2024 model. This TV brings together a sleek design and powerful features to elevate your viewing experience, and we're here to break it all down. Right out of the box, this TV impresses with its ultra-slim Air Slim design. It's crafted to blend seamlessly with your wall, creating a clean, minimalistic look that doesn't distract from what you're watching. Whether mounted or placed on a stand, the slim profile adds a touch of elegance to any living room or entertainment space. When it comes to picture quality, the DU8000 delivers stunning visuals with 4K UHD resolution. But it doesn't stop there. Samsung's 4K upscaling technology works behind the scenes to enhance lower resolution content, making everything sharper and more detailed, even your older shows and videos. The colors come alive thanks to dynamic crystal color technology, which reproduces over 1 billion shades to give you more nuanced and realistic images. Motion handling on this TV is smooth and fluid because of the motion accelerator feature. It minimizes lag and blur by improving the motion between frames, so fast-moving scenes in sports or action movies appear clearer and more immersive. Another highlight is the Mega Contrast technology, which intelligently adjusts brightness and contrast levels automatically. This means that dark scenes retain detail and bright areas pop, offering a balanced and vivid picture throughout your viewing. Sound quality also gets a thoughtful upgrade. The Object Tracking Sound Light feature provides a 3D surround sound experience that follows the movement on screen. Imagine being right in the middle of a car chase or a lively concert, where the audio shifts naturally with the action for a more engaging experience. This model supports HDR, specifically HDR10+, which expands the range of colors and brightness levels to reveal fine details that might be lost on other TVs. Every frame is optimized to ensure that you see the content as intended by the creators. Whether it's a dramatic film or your favorite streaming series. Speaking of streaming, this is a smart TV with Alexa built in. You can ask Alexa to play music, launch games, check the weather, or control other smart home devices without needing any additional gadgets. The interface is user-friendly and puts thousands of on-demand shows and movies right at your fingertips. The DU8000 series also includes the Gaming Hub, designed to enhance your gaming experience with reduced lag and access to popular cloud gaming services. Although the refresh rate is 60 Hz, the motion accelerator ensures gameplay remains smooth and responsive. In terms of connectivity, the TV comes with multiple HDMI ports and USB inputs, allowing you to hook up everything from gaming consoles to soundbars and external drives. It also features Wi-Fi and Ethernet options for reliable streaming and internet connectivity. Measuring 55 inches with a 16:9 aspect ratio, it strikes a perfect balance between immersive viewing and fitting comfortably into most living rooms or bedrooms. It weighs around 35 pounds, making it manageable for installation. Included with the TV are the power cable, a user manual, and a remote control, so you'll have everything you need to get started right away. In summary, the Samsung 55-inch Class 4K Crystal UHD DU8000 series is an exceptional TV that combines sleek design, vibrant 4K visuals, smooth motion, and immersive sound. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just watching live TV, it offers a premium experience at a competitive price point. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and in-depth tech insights. See you next time.